Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a special macrame plant hanger. Its hanging straps are designed to resemble leaves. I hope you like it. To make this project you need to prepare about 50 meters of 4mm cotton rope. Let's get started. You cut the cords like I share in the screen. First step, you use 10 cords, 4.6 meters long, fold them in half and put on a hook. Next, you use another cord, 2.6 meters long, fold one end of the cord to make a loop. Then you put the loop at the center point of these cords. Use the longer end of the cord to wrap around the loop until you have a length about 15 centimeters. Please note, wrap evenly and firmly. When you reach the desired length, you pass the wrapping end through the loop and pull the other end to bring them inside. This knot is called wrapping knot. Next, you cut off the excess of wrapping cord. Second step, create straps. Let's start with one side first. Divide the cords into 2 equal parts. Then take 2 middle cords, tie a half of double half hitch knot to turn these 2 cords into the holding cords. Next, you tie double half hitch knots with all the cords of the 2 sides. Please kindly note, when you tie the double half hitch knot from right to left, the cords will be tied clockwise. And from the left to the right, the cords will be tied counterclockwise. You continue to tie the double half hitch knots until you have 2 diagonals. And then you repeat the process to create 2 more similar diagonals above. Please note, the further away from the center, the knots in the top and bottom rows will be spaced from 0.5 to 1 centimeter apart. Repeat the same process to create the third diagonals. With the fourth diagonals, when you're done tying the first knot, its cord will become the holding cord. And the second knot, the cord of the first knot and the holding cord will become the holding cords. Likewise with the third and fourth knots, the holding cord will gradually become larger. Next, you take 4 cords to tie a square knot to connect the sides together. Do the same to create 4 more similar patterns above on the side. Next, you do the same with the other side. Third step, you will create a cradle to hold pots. Let's start with one side first. Take 2 middle cords and tie a snack knot. Do the same with the remaining cords until you have a row of the snack knot. Repeat the process with the other side. Next, you make the second row of snack knots staggered with the first row, and connect the sides together so that it can be hold pots. The distance from the first row to the second row is about 5 to 6 centimeters. Then you tie one more row similar the first row. Last step, you use one cord, 1 meter long, and tie the wrap knot to fix the bottom. Fold one end of the cord to make a loop and put the loop at the bottom part. You use the longer end to wrap around the loop. You just wrap about 4 centimeters, then you pass the wrapping end through the loop and pull the other end to bring them inside. Cut off the excess cords. After all, this is our finished macrame plant hanger. Its length is 80 centimeters and can hold a variety of pots from 10 to 17 centimeters in diameter. I hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please a quick like and comment really does help my channel out. And I also made many similar macrame videos before. You can check them out in my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel to update new videos as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.